If you've ever felt like you should always be in the market, like sitting in cash means you're missing out on opportunities, this might be the exact habit that's hurting your results, because in investing, doing something isn't always better than doing nothing. There's this idea out there that there's always something to buy, an opportunity anywhere. Buy, buy, buy. The market's moving, stocks are going up, and if you're not in something, you're falling behind. And that leads to a very common thought. I feel like I should be in something right now. But here's the problem. That belief assumes that if you just find the right stock, you'll be fine. But it ignores something much bigger, the market as a whole, because you can pick a good stock and still lose money if the market conditions are not supportive. Most investors don't lose because they picked the wrong stock. They lose because they buy at the wrong time. And when you fall into this always be buying habit, you start forcing trades. You buy something and it drifts lower and goes nowhere. You feel like you're always active, but not making any progress. And over time, that's when frustration can kick in. So you start thinking, why does nothing seem to work? Am I missing something? And if it continues and you can spend months, sometimes years, just spinning your wheels with your portfolio, not because you're incapable, but because your timing might be off. So let's fix that. There's a few key ideas that can completely change how you approach this. Principle number one, follow the current. First, the market is like the ocean, in which the direction is determined by the current. You can pick a strong stock, but if the market is going down, it's taking most of the stocks with it. It's like trying to swim against the current. You can be a strong swimmer, but the current is stronger. And this is where a lot of investors get stuck. They say things like, I picked a good company, so why is it going down? Because it's not just the stock. It's the market behind it. Principle number two, good stocks favor good market conditions. Even the best setups can struggle when the overall market is not supportive. So it's not just what to buy, it's when you buy it. Imagine a swimmer going against the current. Now imagine the same swimmer going with the current. Good stocks work the same way. Take Micron, ticker MU, for example. We notice green lights that indicate favorable market conditions stopped on February 24th, 2026. Now focus on price. Notice something? Stopped going up until green lights started appearing again, showing favoritism in the market. Green lights appeared once the market started showing favorable conditions. Utilizing the VectorVest composite, or VVC, to determine broad market trend. Principle number three, wait for the signal. The market decides if your trade works, not your opinion, not the story, not how confident you feel. The environment drives the outcome. And once you understand that, you stop trying to force trades in the wrong conditions. Here at VectorVest, we believe market timing is the single most important factor an investor should be aware of. The VectorVest software will issue green lights if market conditions are favorable for buying stocks, which is displayed right on the homepage of the software. Just like when you're driving and you pull up to a traffic light, you just don't go through. No, you wait for the green light signal before just driving through, letting investors know whether it's a good time to purchase stocks or not. Principle number four, cash is a position. And this one is the big shift. Cash is a position. And when you don't treat it that way, you start forcing trades. You lower your standards. You just jump into setups you wouldn't normally take. But now you're not investing, you're reacting. And disciplined investors, they do the opposite. They are willing to wait. It's like being a great hitter in baseball. You don't swing at every pitch. They wait for the one they can actually drive for a home run. So the question becomes, how do you actually know when it's time to act? And when it's time to wait. At VectorVest, we simplify this into 3 things. First, you follow a structure. Instead of waking up and asking, what should I buy today? You ask, do conditions even justify buying in the market right now? That alone eliminates a lot of bad decisions. At VectorVest, we teach when to buy, what to buy, and when to sell. And there's a reason we put when to buy first. It's because market direction and buying at the right time is the single most important factor you need to know. Second, you wait for a signal. You don't just buy because something looks good. You wait for clear confirmation that market conditions are supportive. No signal, no trade. And third, you align timing with quality, because even the best stocks can struggle if you buy them at the wrong time. Now, if you've enjoyed today's content and you want to utilize this valuable information and start making positive changes along your investment journey, go ahead and utilize some of these resources. Now, the Double Your Portfolio video, I'll put a link in the description below, but this will cover the big picture of when to buy, what to buy, and when to sell. If you want to utilize our powerful indicators within the VectorVest software, the trial link is also in the description below.